Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW guys 5 Series guys, BMW with a 6-cylinder gasoline engine such as N51, N52, N53 guys, N54 engine, we will show you guys where your engine starter is located, what needs to be done to actually get to the engine starter. So stay with us guys, and that's what we'll be covering today. Quick introduction guys to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos guys, and specifically on BMW guys 5 Series, we will have probably close to 400-500 videos coming in the future guys. We make so many BMW videos because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, so we can keep providing that free information. Now, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts or tools, new starter for your BMW 5 Series, check out the link in the description of the video below, and we will share guys where you can get new starter parts, tools, or anything like that. So specifically guys, this is N52 6-cylinder engine, but if you have a 6-cylinder gasoline engine, the procedure will be the same guys for all of them. So what you need to do guys, here air filter box will need to come out. Intake boot from the air filter box to the throttle body will need to come out. We had to remove the throttle body, and we had to remove guys the intake manifold. Now if you want to see the video how to remove the intake manifold and get to that point guys, we will try to share the link in the description of the video below, so please check it out guys, how to remove the intake manifold guys. Okay, it will be demonstrated on N52 engine, but it will work almost the same for multiple engines guys, with some minor differences here and there. Once you guys remove all that, okay, before you even start working on your vehicle, make sure your car battery is disconnected guys. And if you do not know how to disconnect it the correct way, so you do not burn any engine computers or any modules, check out the video, okay, how which terminal to disconnect first guys. We have it on the channel, which battery terminal to disconnect first guys and reconnect. So once you disconnect your car battery, remove your intake manifold, okay, you come to that part right here, and if you see guys right here, check it out, this is guys our engine starter guys. This is the engine starter. Now let me get some tools guys to show you okay what we will need to use to actually remove that starter. But before we start, this is your battery wire coming here. This wire is going to the alternator, okay, and this is the ignition wire, that wire right here. So in order to remove the starter, disconnect this wire, okay. All we have to do, press in, pull it out, okay. This is guys your wire, and you need to disconnect that wire here, remove that bolt, pull the wire out. Then you will need some special tools guys. The special tools I'm talking about, it's female Torx. We will have the link in the description of the video below, check it out. Once you do all that guys, okay, you have one bolt to remove right here and one bolt like that on the other side, but you access it through the transmission side, okay. This is the bolt right there. So you remove these two bolts and your starter comes out. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more help, and see you guys next time.